Hello and welcome to Mangley Town Catalogue collection, and today we have the Hornby Dublo catalogue for 1954-55, so we'll take a look through. This is a slightly annoying fold out poster style which they did in that era, but we'll work our way through. As always, I do hope you're enjoying these. I hope they're being helpful, or at least giving you a look into the past of model railway models. If you haven't already, don't forget you can hit that subscribe button. It does really help show support in what I'm doing here in sharing all my catalogues, and say hopefully being of interest and good reference to people. I am also looking at doing a few other things, like an overview of 10 years at a time or so of these catalogues by manufacturer, in case you are a catalogue collector like myself and still want an actual hard copy. You know which ones, and hopefully the variants that are out there from what I can show you. There we go. I hope you've enjoyed that look through. Thank you for joining me as always, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.